Mango season is finally here. Who doesn't love mangoes? Whether it is ripe or raw, any dish made with mango turns out absolutely delicious. Today I'm sharing a thick, rich mango dal recipe with exact measurements and the right ingredients to use to bring back those authentic homemade flavors which we all love. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of dal and 2 raw mangoes. Let me show you how to cut these mangoes. First, start by cutting all the 4 sides of the mango around the seeds. I'm not peeling off the mango skin here. I'm going to keep this. This gives a beautiful taste to the dal and also a nice color to the recipe. Next, chop them into big cube-sized pieces. It's all ready. The next thing we got to do is soak the dal. Wash it and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking dal is very important step here. This helps to cook the dal much faster, like within 1 or 2 whistles. This also prevents the mango from turning mushy when we pressure cooked it together. Next to this soaked dal, I'm adding 1 cubed onion, 1 cubed tomato, 6 to 7 green chilies. It needs more chilies than regular dal. Next comes our king of the recipe, the mango. Pressure cook it for 2 whistles. See how beautifully the dal has got cooked, and also you can see the mango cubes here. It looks perfect. Let's work on tadka. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add handful of round red chilies. A perfect tadka is what makes the recipe even more delicious. So when you choosing the ingredients for tadka, you need to be very specific. Few curry leaves. Next I'm adding pinch of hing, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next I'm pouring the cooked dal into this tadka. Give it a good mix. You can add water here to adjust the consistency, but I'm going to keep this really thick because that's how I like it. Add salt as per your taste. Sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Our authentic South Indian mango dal is ready to enjoy with plain hot rice and a little bit of ghee on top of it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.